Here's how to fix post getting removed on Reddit. First, you need to check the specific rules of the subreddit you posted. Moderators or automated bots like AutoModerator might remove posts that violate these rules. So check your notifications for explanation. Also, make sure that your post follows the Reddit's content policy. Avoid hate speech, harassment, or spam, as this can lead to removal by Reddit admins. If you're unsure why your post was removed, message the moderators of the subreddit, and your account also might be shadow banned. So to check, you need to go to your profile or ask a friend to see if they can find your profile. If you think your post was removed by mistake, you can contact the Reddit support team to appeal. Focus on creating high quality posts that contribute to the discussion, and low effort or the clickbait content is often removed. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.